Title: Navigating the WordPress Crossroads. Introduction: The WordPress Crossroads. In the landscape of website creation, WordPress occupies a prominent position. For years, it has been the platform of choice for millions. But as digital demands evolve, a new contender emerges: Headless WordPress. This analysis aims to elucidate the dichotomy between traditional WordPress and its headless variant, enabling you to select the ideal platform for your needs. The cold open and hook. Visualize this. On one side, a classic WordPress blog. On the other, a sleek modern interface reminiscent of an app. The narrator asks, is your website feeling a bit slow? Are your creative designs bottlenecked by your current setup? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're exploring traditional and headless WordPress to guide you on which to choose for your project. What we'll cover. Throughout this discussion, we shall cover the essence and target audience of traditional WordPress, an introduction to headless WordPress stripped of complex jargon, a comparison focusing on speed, security, and cost, an easy guide to choosing the right setup for your website. The classic champion, traditional WordPress explained. Traditional WordPress, often referred to as a monolithic CMS, integrates both the back-end management system and front-end display within a single platform. This setup since 2003 has empowered millions to manage content and appearance seamlessly. The strengths. Traditional WordPress's popularity stems from its user-friendly dashboard, allowing users without technical prowess to control site layouts and functionalities through plugins, most notably due to its user-friendly interface. Accommodates non-technical users. DOS massive plugin ecosystem. With thousands of plugins available, enhanced functionalities like SEO and e-commerce are achievable without significant development. Fast and affordable setup. Ideal for small businesses, bloggers, and non-profits, enabling quick, budget-friendly site creation. The drawbacks. Despite its virtues, challenges persist. Performance bottlenecks. Multiple plugins can slow down site speed, particularly with high traffic. Security risks. The prevalence of third-party plugins exposes sites to cyber threats. Creative limits. While themes offer foundational designs, advanced customization may be restricted. Transition. While traditional WordPress serves numerous needs adequately, for those seeking superior performance, security, and creative latitude, headless WordPress offers distinct advantages. The modern challenger? Headless WordPress explained. Headless architecture signifies a transformative approach to web development, separating the content management brain from its public head. Utilizing headless WordPress, one retains the WordPress dashboard for back-end management, but leverages new technologies for front-end application, enabled through an API. The strengths. Opting for a headless system yields significant benefits. Enhanced performance. A separate front-end ensures quicker load times and improved traffic handling. Improved security. Detaching front-end from back-end reduces potential attack vulnerabilities. Total creative freedom. Developers are free from theme restrictions, offering highly customized user experiences. Omnichannel content deployment. Manage content centrally, distributing seamlessly across various platforms. The drawbacks. Yet, headless systems require technical expertise. Setup and maintenance demand developers skilled in modern frameworks. Higher costs. Custom front-end work requires a larger financial outlay than traditional setups. Plugin incompatibility. Some plugins, especially those affecting the front end, demand custom development. Transition. Headless WordPress promises potency but requires investment. Making the right choice involves nuanced consideration of available resources and objectives. Making the choice, a simple guide. Traditional WordPress. It's great for blogs and small business sites, especially if you're on a budget. Low cost, easy setup, and decent speed with caching. Flexibility's okay, but themes and plugins can limit you. Still, it's super beginner friendly with tons of community help.